Hi, my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. Today we have a Stitchfix. Okay, so let's get started. Now in my last Stitchfix video, I had said it was going to be a while before I received another Stitchfix. Well, here we are. I have another one. It's almost August. I had said I wanted to wait till August, September before I got another Stitchfix and finished losing weight and got to a stopping point on that. And I think I'm pretty much there. I'm about 4 pounds away from my goal weight. I think I'm where I'm gonna be. I'm about a 4'6", around in there, and a small medium on top, depending upon the brand and the company that sends it. So there we go. Okay, so now that we got all that out of the way, Stitchfix is a styling subscription box. You may get a box as often as you would like. You can set it to come every short time as like every 2 weeks, to every 3 months, or once a year, whatever you decide. There is a styling fee unless you have the styling pass. That styling fee is $20 and it is credited towards anything you purchase in the box. I'm going to leave my link below for you in the description box. If you try it out, you get a $25 credit for your first box, and that's much appreciated. I really, really appreciate it. Thank you in advance. So there we go. Okay, so Katy Sturino Stitchfix. So it must be a brand they're promoting right now. That's excellent. Okay, and here is my paperwork. Let's get that open. My style card and my invoice. And my box, my bundle. I did request a box of blue. I wanted to see what she could send me in all blue for the summer. So I love the color blue. I love wearing the color blue, bright blues, cobalt blues, navy blues, baby blues. It's just one of my most favorite colors to wear right now. So I requested an all blue box. All right, so let's see what's in here. Now I need to see, because my regular stylist, I believe, is out on maternity leave. Yep. Okay. So let's see who I have. Happy Fix Day, Favor. Madison is currently on vacation, so I have the pleasure of styling your blue fix. I couldn't find a maxi with light blue. I'm sure Madison will be able to continue the hunt when she returns. I am sending a pretty dress from French Gray that has light blue background. I hope you enjoy the summer style. I also wanted to get you a pair of shorts and light wash that will work well with the tops in this fix. These have the 4-inch inseam that you like. I've included three blue tops for you to try that have different sleeves and silhouettes. I can see that you leave great feedback, so please let me know what you think. Catherine. All right, Catherine. First of all, I love your name. That is a family name of mine, so I really love the name Catherine. All right. So let's see here. Leave this right here. Here's my envelope. Anything I don't want, I can slip right back in that envelope, right in my post office box, my mailbox right out front. I can tell you right now, I love this top. It looks like a denim, but it feels like it's stretchy. Oh my goodness, I love this. I love this. This is by Fortune and Ivy. I'm gonna need to go get my strapless bra put on for this. This is in a medium opal knit halter top in blue medium, $38. I love this. Oh, I hope this looks cute because I super love this. Okay. All right, so there's that. Now, I'm not a fan of this. I'm gonna try it on, but I'm not a fan of it. This cut top on me, I don't know what it is, but it just looks so boxy on me, and I'm just not a big fan of it, but I'm glad she sent it. It is blue, it's a little button up front. Is it chambray? It's by ID23. Hayford one pocket top in a medium, it's blue, and it is $38. So also it needs to be ironed. That's kind of a no-go for me, because I typically, everything I buy, I prepare to pack it in a suitcase at some point. So, okay. Oh, this is cute. I've seen other women get this, and I actually really like it. Little tie front top, the little stripy top up here, the floral, the blue. This is cute. Let's see, this one is a Stitchfix exclusive, and it is pink clover Pallas knot front knit. Oh my goodness. Pallas knot front knit top. Say that 5 times fast. This is by Pink Clover medium, $28. Great price point. That's great. I really like that. Really, really like that. Okay, it is in a medium. Perfect. Okay. All right, and then here's the little dress I think she was talking about. Oh, so cute. Knit, soft, bright floral. Oh, cotton. Oh, it's very, very soft. Ooh, it might be a little short. Ooh, it might be a lot short. Oh my goodness. Oh my. That is teeny short. It also looks kind of small. We'll have to see. Okay, this is the French gray Tula brushed knit dress, light blue, medium, $48. But it's really cute. Yeah, I'm gonna need to go get my strapless dress, strapless bra. I like this. This is soft, so soft. Easy to pack, won't wrinkle, being the knit material. Okay. All right, let's see. These are Vigos Luxe Stretch. Ooh, they are stretch. I'm not a fan of distressing at all. I don't like it at all. But this has very light distressing. I'll have to get my husband to look at it. He's very particular too about that. Excuse the mark on my finger. This is by Vigos. These are Pixie Clean Cuffed Frayed Hem Short Indigo size 6 for $48. Okay, so do they roll down? Okay, yeah, so you can roll down the hem and it's that frayed hem. Okay, excellent. All right, so we're gonna try everything on. All right. Now, I'm not always a fan of this light wash, but we'll see. We will see, you know, never judge until you try it on. I've learned that. All right, be right back with the try on. Okay, so this is the Fortune and Ivy Opal Knit Halter Top, blue in a medium, 38. It's a little too big, so it hangs down too low under here. So I think if I go with the small one, it won't be as long and as big. I mean, I have so much room back here. Now, obviously it's a halter, so I want there to be a little room, but I feel like there's just too much room in this top. So I am gonna ask to size down in this and exchange it because I love it. I absolutely love this. I think it's a decent price point and I really like the top. I just think it's so cute. I like the little peekaboo back there. I do like the collar, the shoulder, what is this, collar on it. I think it's fun. And now that I have found two separate strapless bras that are extremely comfortable for me, I will link them in the description box for you. I'm fine with wearing this type of thing. So I used to not be. It took me a long time to find strapless bras that were comfortable. So there we go. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and talk about these shorts. They're too big. They're like, yeah, I'm pulling them, but they're also stretchy, and so they keep sliding down, and I've worn them for a minute and a half. So, and they sort of bulge up here in the front. I don't know, I don't really like the way that looks, but we're gonna roll them down and kind of see what they're like when they're longer, you know, like this. I don't know how I feel about them, honestly. Sort of do this, tuck this in a little bit so you can see. I have a mirror right here, which you can probably tell. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about them. I'm not super fond of them. It might be the color, but I do like them. So I don't know. The distressing is not obvious on them, so I don't think that would bother my husband at all. It doesn't bother me. It almost looks like there's no holes. So I think they're okay. But I'm gonna leave them on through the rest of the try on. You can see they're quite they're quite large. So I definitely need to size down in them. So that's right. Okay, next top. Okay, again, I think it's too large. I need to adjust my sizing, I think, in Stitchfix. Unless something runs small, I think I need to be in a small from now on, whereas other clothing lines, that's not the case. So it'll have to be up to the stylist. I really like this, not with these shorts. I would actually wear this with maybe black shorts or white shorts, or not these. I feel like the color of the shirt gets lost. And again, it's too large. It's too large under the arms, but I like this little top. I think it's so cute, so comfortable. It's just a comfortable, easy top to throw on and wear and be comfortable in. And I think, you know, I could take this into fall with a cardigan, a nice black cardigan, or even, you know, just a cardigan to kind of pull through. Here in Texas, we don't get hot, or excuse me, we don't get cold, very rarely, but we don't get really cold enough to even need a coat. until February, so January, February. So I think this is really cute. I definitely think I'm going to keep this. I just need to size down. So, and then I think it'll fit perfectly. So it's a little long in the back. So maybe I could wear them with leggings. I don't know. I'll wear it with leggings in the fall with a cardigan. Maybe so. I don't know. We'll see. But I do like it. It's super cute. Okay, so here's the next top. And I actually like it. It surprises me that I like it. I feel like it might be a hair too big. Maybe not. No, it's not. I don't think so. Maybe it just hangs kind of low under the arms here. And I think it's supposed to be slouchy like this. I don't know. But I think if I sized down, it might just fit. And I'm not sure that's this style of shirt. I feel like this should be a little oversized. I will be keeping it though. It feels funny under the arms here. I don't like the way that feels under my arms, and it needs to be ironed. So that's not something I really would want to keep. Now, if we're in a 5 for 5 situation here, it would make more sense to keep it. I don't know. We'll have to see. But these shorts are really short when they're rolled up. It doesn't help that I have these heels on, which I will link in the description box because these are the best wedges ever on the planet. They're not super duper high, and they're very comfortable for me who would be walking in them all day. Some women, those super tall wedges are great and comfortable for them. For me, it's too tall and I will break my ankle. So I have these, and it took me forever to find them. Forever. I'm so happy I did find them. So they're from Kohl's, so I will link them for you. And they're a great color. They come in lots of colors. I wish I had them in every color. Anyway, so I think this is a cute shirt. It's just not for me. I just don't. This style isn't my favorite, but it's great. I'm glad she sent it, and it's nice to try. But again, I just think the fit is off just a little bit. Somehow the fit is just kind of off, and it needs to be wrinkled. So, all right, off to the dresses. Okay, so here's the last dress, or the only dress. Here is the dress. This is my battery light is flashing. This is the French gray Tula brushed knit dress, light blue medium, $48. I really like this dress. I like the material. It's soft. It's not going to wrinkle. The question is, it's a little short in the bend over test. So I don't know. I'm going to have to show my husband. But you know what? This is one of those perfect dresses for travel. So I like the material. I like that it's knit. I love the color. I actually like the pattern. And it's very comfortable. It's a little big under the arms, but this style, this type top often is for me. So, because I'm not real tall in through here, so I could pinch it. I don't know. I don't really want to have to alter it, but tell me what you think. I'm going to pop up in a card up here, a survey, and ask you, keep it or toss it. Keep it or send it back. Let me know what you think. So that way you can practice using iCards. Sometimes there'll be a survey up there. Sometimes there'll be information up there. It'll point you to another video or something I'm talking about. I love the iCards. So you're going to be seeing much more of those in our videos. But the most fun to do is the survey or the poll. So pop on up there and answer the question. Thank you. So, okay, so that's it. I think I'm going to keep this. I don't think going to a small would be advisable. I feel like then it would fit, and then it would definitely be too short. I think it would then come up to here, which is a no-no for me. I don't like them that short, but I love this little dress. I think it's super cute. What do you think? I think it's great. So now this really isn't a transition into fall piece, but we still have 2 more cruises this year to where this dress would come in very handy. And I have picked up a lot of dresses from Stitch Fix over the last couple of boxes. So I'm very pleased with that, and they have traveled well. Okay, there we go. All right, well, there you go. So I thank you in advance for watching. I really appreciate it. Oh, you know what? I didn't go over the price or anything, so let's do that very quickly. So the total of the box is $200. The 25% buy all discount of $50 brings my total to $150. I do have a $20 credit from a mistake that was made on the box last month with my extras. I'll pop that video up here in a card where you can see that. So they gave me a $20 credit just to say sorry for my trouble. They did not need to do that. I did appreciate it though. So the total of everything in my box is $130. Now the only thing that I would not be keeping is the button-up top. So I may actually, I mean, it makes more sense to keep it. You know, you have to do that. We almost made it. Fresh new battery. Okay, so you have to do the Stitchfix math and really decide. You know, the thing is, the shorts are a question for me. I'm not super sure. What's the tag? Super sure about those shorts. I like them, but I don't love them. And honestly, at $48, I really want to love them because that's pricey, and I definitely need to size down in them. The French gray Tula brushed knit dress, which is what I'm wearing at $48. I really like this. I really, really do. I have a different sports bra, different strapless bra that wouldn't show at all under here, so it would be fine. The Fortune and Ivy Opal knit halter top in blue, medium, $38. I love it. I'm exchanging it for a small. I love it. And the pink clover Pallas, I cannot say this, Pallas not front knit top, light blue, medium, $28. I'm exchanging that for a small. I really, really like that. And the Hayford ID23 Hayford one pocket top in blue, medium, $38. I think I just am going to send it back. So I think the shorts and that top are going to go back. Otherwise, I don't know. I just don't know about those shorts. I like them, but they are really short and I would have to unroll them, and I don't really want to unroll them. I like them rolled up. I like that look. I don't know. Tell me what you think. I'm going to pop a poll up here. Should I keep the shorts? Should I send them back? You let me know. All right. So there you go. I'm going to leave my link in the description box. Please go try out Stitch Fix. Get your $25 credit so you can give it a try. Thank you so, so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you participating in our fun little polls over here. And we will see you next time. Bye.